Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use one of the most popular Excel functions, VLOOKUP. So whether you are working with Excel or Google Sheets, let me open Excel. Okay. So as I was saying that whether you are working with Excel or Google Sheets, this function can save you tons of time. So here you can see this Excel option. Let me open it in the Excel file. So let's dive in and see how it works with a real world example. So basically VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, and it is used to search for a value in the first column of a table and return a value in the same row from another column. So as you can see, I just have opened a new column, and VLOOKUP is perfect when you are trying to match data like product name with prices or IDs with names. So all this. So let's say you run a bakery. So let's add some informations right here. So I'm gonna just add some informations. For example, cookies. Then I'm gonna add biscuits. Both of them are same. Then burger. Okay. So as you saw, I just added them. Now let's add some. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now on the B, let's add some prices. um, okay, let's choose this three. Let's add cookies name here. Wait, let me just customize it. Cookies name. Okay, that's enough. Now let's say you want to add prices. Let's add prices right here, and that's enough. Let's add cookies here. um, Cookies. So now let's add prices to them, like 2.50 dollar. Wait, so dollar 50. Wait, let me customize this. $0. Okay, that's enough. Okay, let's cut this one for now. Now let's go to this side, and let's say you want to add the same prices. So you can just type something like at the C section. We are gonna keep it like blank. Then let's add some random things here. Then okay, now let's say we want to add a lookup. So let's go to chocolate chip. Now let's add a lookup right here. Before that, so if we want to add lookups to it, then you can simply tap look. Wait. Let's write here. Okay. Now let's say you want to add lookup. So first of all, you have to tap equal. So I'm just gonna say you the formula. Then you have to type lookup. Let's make it capital. Lookup. So this one, then you have to add first bracket, then you have to type D2, and then you have to add this sign, then type A2, then you have to enter as true, and then you have to type B16, and then comma, then true and false. And then now you have to enter first. So that's it. You can see this is just saying the name. For example, let me show you how you can add name. Just answer, let's type 2 right here, then you can see name. So this is how you can enter a name. And let's say you want to add price or something. This one gonna say like this. Okay, like name and add the question. So this is how you can do it. You can add lookup right here, and this is how you can do it. Just enter formulas, then you will return. So as you can see, this is done like that. Let's say we are gonna add another VLOOKUP right here. You can choose these sections right here, and then let's add VLOOKUP here. So let's write VLOOKUP. You can just simply go and head over to chat GPT, like just search for chat GPT and then tap enter. Then you can go to it and write it to you can ask it to write a VLOOKUP formula for you. So I'm just gonna type in a question like write me VLOOKUP write me a VLOOKUP formula for Excel to add prices. So now you have to just tap like this. Now send it. Now ChatGPT will generate you a code now. So this is how you can something like that. You can just copy it and then head over to Excel, and let's say we are gonna paste it right here. Okay, let's paste it right here. You can tap equal. Wait, let me just delete these things. Okay, just let me delete this name and then paste the code, and you can see here. So you just have to enter the codes like lookup value from here, and etc. You just have to play around with them and you can do it easily. You can ask ChatGPT to generate you a code like this. So as you can see, look value, the value you are searching for the first column, and then table array is the range of cells containing your data, including the volume column with prices. Also the column number is starting from 1 in the table array from which to retrieve the price. So you can just ask it like this. So if you want to find the banana price right here, you can add 2.50 for your formula would be like this. Okay, so the formula would be like this. You can just copy it, but make sure to customize it according to your own styles, because not every time it is gonna work in the Excel sheet like this. As you can see, this is not gonna work every time. And then paste. So you can see this. So sometimes you can use VLOOKUP, and you can also use this codes if you want to, and this code will display that not found if the VLOOKUP value does not exist in the table. So let's go to it and let's see. Let's paste it, and so here you can see this, it's saying not found. So this is how you can add VLOOKUP. Just enter the formula correctly and then you can add it. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Till then, take care and see you in the next video.